Hi guys, welcome back to the first episode of the 30-second review series. So in this series I'll be taking small items that you buy from all these Chinese websites, Amazon, and giving you a 30-second review, going through the quality, the functions, and just a quick insight on my thoughts on the product. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you on my next one. So here's my 30-second review. So here is a pack of 3 Froggen iPhone lightning cables. So these could be used with the iPads, basically anything Apple, any Apple device. So they're not nylon braided. You got fast sync and charging speeds, and they're ultra durable. And you do get 3 in a pack. So there's one there, and this, and I think they're 2 metre long, so they're really long, as you can see. So you could sit up in bed with them connected. Made of aluminium. Very good quality. I reckon they're better quality than Apple products themselves. And they definitely fit into an Apple plug. So they're a nice colour. They come in gold, brown and grey. Or black, sorry. Yeah, there it is. I'll hit a link up in the description, so check them out. I think they retail at £9 for 3, but you can opt to just get 1 or 2. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next 30-second review.